up is our storage. You're just gonna unscrew this right here, lift it up, and unscrew this right here. Sometimes you'll have like a screwless mother or SSD mount, but I just took mine off because it was annoying and I didn't know how to use it. And you're gonna get your SSD. I have the Samsung 990 Pro. This is about $100 and it's 1 terabyte and it works pretty good. Nice fast speed. So when you get your SSD, you're gonna hold it down with one finger and then screw it in with the next, like this. Make sure screw down almost all the way, not too tight, and you should be good to go. And if your SSD mounts have a thermal pad like this, make sure to take off any plastics and stuff like that before you turn your computer on, because sometimes they will melt.